Hi, Martin from Megathing here, and I'm here to talk to you today about the new wellness range from ACO, and it's called TruSens, and it all revolves around air purification. Now, what they've given me here is the big dog. It's the Z3000. There is a model in between and a small baby one. So this one here would do an office around about 70 square meters, cubic meters, sorry, of office, and it would be one does about 23 cubic meters, which would be about a small bedroom, I guess. Now, I guess the question you're asking is, why would we have air purification when we're actually in a beautiful country of Australia at the moment, and we're here on the Gold Coast, and it's a little bit windy, but it's actually a beautiful day, and the air looks great. But the problem is, we're inside, and basically Aussies have about 90% of their life spent inside, and the air quality inside is about 5 times worse than it is outside. So we either move our offices outside and work outside with better air, or we do something about the air inside. And so this is why we're talking about the TruSens air purification. Hi, Martin from Megathing, and then we're just going to quickly unbox this TruSens Air Purifier from ACO. So remember, this is the Z3000. It's the biggest of the three that are about, and this is designed for an office, small office, 70 cubic meters. So we'll quickly open it up for you and show you what's inside. What's in the box. So you've got a manual that's obviously in there. You've got a power cord, because we need to power the actual unit. This model and the one below does come with a little pod here where you would plug in that side of the room, and this would be plugged in the other side of the room, and basically this measures the air quality in that side of the room, talks to the machine in this side of the room, and makes sure all around it's a good quality air, and adjusts its cycle and how much throughput it does. Okay, take the packaging out. Here it is here. It's not too heavy. There's just one here. Now, I can't help but think it looks like an old ashtray, but I'm just thinking they've done this design because it'll just sit in the corner. It's artistic, it's white, and just sit in the corner and does its job. Okay, so you've got your LED, your on screen here, your handle at the back there to move around, but it isn't mobile. Remember, it does need to be plugged in, and that's your plug-in bit there. But that's basically the model, and at the base, got these little rubber anti-skid pads. So that's the TruSens Z3000. Hi, Martin from Megathing here. I'm just going to dig a little bit deeper into this air purifier, the TruSens from ACO. So previously we said that the air quality in Australia is pretty good, but the problem is most of us Aussies work and operate indoors, where the air quality is actually 5 times worse than what it is outside. So the sensors and concerns this model TruSens aims to combat is, and I call them 6 Ps. So the first one is pollen, especially this time of year, it's spring, so there's a lot of flowering flowers out there and can cause allergies and sensitivity, so this cleans the air for that. The next one is people. Some people do smell and they've got body odours for whatever reason, so if this is around, it does sense the quality of the air and purifies accordingly. The next one would be like pollutants, chemicals or stuff that's used to wipe down surfaces, so that can actually, this machine actually cleanses the air of those pollutants. Pets is another one, so if you've got an allergy to cats or dogs, or if you've got an office dog, this will purify the air for you. The other one can be parasites, so you've got like dust mites around, so once again, and we'll talk about the filtration system inside this, it's a 4-step filtration system. And the last one is particles, so that can be like if your office workers having tuna for lunch, or if you have these at home, you're cooking up a steak and get that smell of cooked food in the air. This once again cleanses the air and brings the air quality back to a level that's appropriate and smells clean. Hi, Martin from Megathing, and I'm just going to talk a little bit more about the value of the TruSens and how what it brings to your home and office in terms of air quality. So within the unit there's a 4-stage filter air purification process, and we'll talk about that soon. The second thing is it has measurement and feedback both on the main unit, so, and once again we'll talk about that feature as well. So it measures the feed here and delivers gives feedback to the machine to either increase or decrease the rate at which air is being purified. And also with your top two models, you have this SensorPod here, and basically that ensures that the whole room that this unit is in, the air is of a good quality. So the other patented quality about this machine is called Pure Direct, and what that means is it's cleansing the air 25% quicker than all of the other air purifiers on the market at the moment. And the last thing is design and aesthetics. So they've put a lot of effort in to make this sort of look modern, and like I said before, it could look like an ashtray, but if you're thinking more modern, it could look like a little robot that goes around and mops your floors for you. But anyway, it does would sit in the corner. It looks neat. It's a bit of a talking point, and at the same time is a very functional piece of equipment to have at home or in the office. Thanks very much. G'day, Martin from Megathing here, and now we're going to talk about, after we plug this in, what happens and the measurement on the LED display. So basically, just a figure of 8 power cord this is, and of course it ships with that, and plug it in there, and Aussie 2 pin there, so we'll plug that in there, and it should be working once we turn it on. There it goes. It's doing its startup. Press that there. So it says air quality on there, and it says measuring, and you can see how the LED lights are doing cycling from red, orange, and blue, which it's not doing right now. Air's just coming out, so it's obviously sucking air in here and pushing it out this way. Basically, what that will do is give us an air quality score, and if it's blue, it's good. If it's orange, it's mediocre, and if it's red, it needs to work a little bit longer to get that air quality up to a standard that's decent. So it's still measuring, and what it's looking for is also this SensorPod. So it's looking for some sort of signal from this to say, hey, I know what the air quality is here, what's it like over there? So we'll quickly plug that in. 2 seconds. There you go. Thank you. Oh, it even smells better already. There we go. So it says air quality here, it's blue, which is great. I took a shower this morning, and it says 12 out of 100. So obviously the lower score the better, and now it's gone down to 8. And that's after that other one was plugged in over there. So it's probably got an average score for the whole room, and it's at 8. I wonder how we can make it go up to 100. 6. There you go. That's it plugged in. Thanks for watching, guys. G'day, Martin from Megathing here, and now we're going to talk about, after we plug this in, what happens and the measurement on the LED display. So basically, just a figure of 8 power cord this is, and of course it ships with that, and plug it in there, and Aussie 2 pin there, so we'll plug that in there, and it should be working once we turn it on. There it goes. It's doing its startup. Press that there. So it says air quality on there, and it says measuring, and you can see how the LED lights are doing cycling from red, orange, and blue, which it's not doing right now. Air's just coming out, so it's obviously sucking air in here and pushing it out this way. Basically, what that will do is give us an air quality score, and if it's blue, it's good. If it's orange, it's mediocre, and if it's red, it needs to work a little bit longer to get that air quality up to a standard that's decent. So it's still measuring, and what it's looking for is also this SensorPod. So it's looking for some sort of signal from this to say, hey, I know what the air quality is here, what's it like over there? So we'll quickly plug that in. 2 seconds. There you go. Thank you. Oh, it even smells better already. There we go. So it says air quality here, it's blue, which is great. I took a shower this morning, and it says 12 out of 100. So obviously the lower score the better, and now it's gone down to 8. And that's after that other one was plugged in over there. So it's probably got an average score for the whole room, and it's at 8. I wonder how we can make it go up to 100. 6. There you go. That's it plugged in. Thanks for watching, guys. G'day, Martin from Megathing. So now we're going to test this to make sure it's working as well as it should. So I just had a bit of tuna for lunch there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to breathe into this device here. It's sitting around about 13 right now. So remember, 0 is great, 500 is poor. It's not 100, it's actually 500 reads too. So I'll just breathe into this thing. So it's going up now, 30, 57, 75. And what's actually happening is the fan is actually getting louder and faster. It's 132. I'm getting a little bit lightheaded. So we're at 219 now, so that's after a mouthful of tuna. 285, so it's actually working, and I think I might go and brush my teeth now. So thanks for watching. G'day, Martin from Megathing, and we're just going to quickly go over the panel on the top of this TruSens Air Purification. So obviously you've got the on-off button, and when you turn it on, it goes straight into auto mode. You can actually change the airspeed. There's a little fan thing here, so you can do it whisper, quiet, or you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, or turbo if you've got some. Anyway, so that's the airspeed you can have. You can hear it's probably getting a little bit louder now. That looks like it's a sleep mode, so it's not powering off, I don't think. No, it's just a maintenance mode. Take that out of there. You've got a timer mode here, so you can have this running for 2, 4, 8, 12 hours. So after 4 hours, this will auto off. And also there's the UV filter, the 4th stage inside there, so you can turn that on or off. But if you want to, it's probably just for saving power. Yeah, I'd be keeping it on just to make sure you get any nasties out of there. So there you go, that's the panel there. Thank you. G'day, Martin from Megathing, and now that I've brushed my teeth, the air's come down to a lot better quality than what it was with my tuna breath. So it's at 6 now, it's blue, so that's good. But to summarise, this is the TruSens Air Purification unit that's been brought out by ACO. This is the large one, the 3000. There are 3 in the series, so basically large and then medium and small. Basically, air gets sucked in here. It goes through the 4-step filter process to purify the air, and then shoots out here in a 70, 90, a split there to have optimal air disbursement. And also comes with a SensorPod, which can make sure your whole room is actually good quality air. And that's it. So if you want to improve the air quality in your office or home, definitely consider one of these. I've had a lot of fun exploring this machine and trying to make it go crazy. Yeah, a great little addition. Check it out.